Alright, welcome to my channel, guys, and today I am bringing you guys about 50 tweaks, 50 free tweaks for your jailbroken device, and it can be iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, anything you guys have that is jailbroken. You guys can install on your device as we speak, and you guys can see today I'm going to show you guys that every single tweak I have on my iPhone 11. You guys can see right there, it's iPhone 11 gold, and right there. So since the time, it's gonna take a long time to explain every single tweak. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through some, and I'm gonna list every single tweak and the source in the description below. So all you guys have to go to do is go to my description, and you guys will find every information, every tweak, every package, every source that you guys need for able to download to your device. So before we start this video, I will ask you guys to please go to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you guys can be notified the minute I drop the next video. So as of right now, you guys know that we have Unc0ver jailbreak, and we can able to jailbreak any device we want, any iOS device that running 11.0 to 13.5. So thanks to also I just want a quick mention to Unc0ver jailbreak team for them to they made this possible for us. So as of right now, let's get this video started, and let's show you guys. So I'm gonna go to my setting, and you guys can see I have all these tweaks that install on my device as of right now. See all these different packages, every package does their own thing, and I love these packages, and these packages actually working right now as of right now. So it doesn't matter, you can install these on your iPad, iPhone, and also I just want to mention that it will work on your Unc0ver if you're jailbroken with the Unc0ver jailbreak, or if you're jailbroken with the Checkrai1n jailbreak. So it will work on both of the jailbreak. And the first I want to show you guys, the tweak that I want to show you guys, and we're going to talk about in this video, is the YouTube Reborn. And now YouTube Reborn is basically you have all these options to configure from, and the main one I like to do is no video ads, or able background playback. So now let me show you guys really quick what it really does. So what I'm going to go to YouTube and go to my channel, because I don't want to play any other video, so for copyright or whatever, So I'm gonna play this video, and what I'm gonna do, you can exit, and also you can lock your screen, and you have whatever you playing, and it is still playing on your device. So there you go, and let me turn this off. So yeah, that's the YouTube Reborn, and they're gonna be in the description below. And then the next one I want to talk about is the AOD. AOD basically is the tweak for your lock screen, and you can enable it, and you have all these different options to configure from. You guys can see there's so many options, so many ways to customize on your lock screen. You can have time and date, battery, music, weather, alarm label, a custom label, and the label color. So there's so many options. So I'm going to show you guys really quick what I have on my screen, and also how it look like. So once you lock your screen, you guys can see you have a current weather, time, the date, the battery, and this is what my custom label look like. So yeah, this is awesome tweak, and I really highly recommend for you guys if you are jailbroken. And yeah, sorry, I have to unlock my device, this Face ID. So the next one we're going to talk about is the ARC. That's how I pronounce it. I don't know, like, and also I want to mention that I'm sorry guys if I pronounce any tweak name wrong. I just want to apologize in advance. So this, you guys can see the picture. That's what the tweak is, like a shortcut, and you can add any tweaks or any app or any module for the shortcut. So what I have top right corner. So if I go there, swipe down, and you can go to switcher. There you go, and then you can swipe again, and you can go to your calculator, and then you can go there, and then go to you can have your flashlight on, as you guys can see. My flashlight is on, and then go back and then turn the flashlight off. So yeah, this is one of the really awesome tweak too. So the next one we're going to talk about is the Berry. No, sorry, not this. So the tweak we're going to talk about is Berry, and now this is what this tweak does. You guys can see on the top, and it kind of bring like three wave lines under your bottom of your device, and also you guys have configure. It comes with just a white lines, and you guys can custom. You guys can have three colors, so you guys can see the custom colors that I have able is red, yellow, and green. So when I'm gonna go to my lock screen, well, basically go to lock screen, and you guys can see right there. That's what it look like. And now the next one we're going to talk about is the sorry guys, I'm not really professional on the YouTube. I'm trying my best, and I'm trying to record. I'm holding iPad in one hand and phone, and try to show you guys everything. So this is Centcool, and this tweak, what this tweak does is you can add these device info, music center, controls, CC toggle, and notification. So these option, also you guys can mess with the size and the colors and battery color. You guys can change and customize all these different options. And what this does is when you swipe down on your control center, and you get the access to this information you have. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to this, click on this, and then you have access to the Facebook, for example, Facebook notification. So all you have to do, you guys can see, you have a clear all. So once you hit on that, and it clear the notification, so you guys can see the Facebook notification is gone. So you can customize your color, you can customize whatever you like. And also, now the next one we're going to talk about is the CAS 2. Now in CAS 2, you guys can see these are the colors, different colors to each setting. And when we go to there's a style, a different style. You can have none, and I mean, of course, you want to look, you want to make your device look cool. So let's do this flip, and we're gonna go back, and then you guys can see right there. I don't know. I hope you guys can see it kind of flips every setting. So now the next one we're gonna do is the bounce, and the bounce basically, let me show you guys what bounce look like. There you go. This is nice. I like this. Look at that. This is a nice effect right there. A bounce. So now the next one I'm gonna show you guys one more. So the next one is less stretch. So once we do this, you guys can see this is nice, isn't it? So yeah, I mean, I'm bringing everything and anything that I have on my device, and I'm trying to bring to you guys. And now this right here, see, you guys saw that it's Face ID, and now BioProtect XS, and what this does is basically you can lock every single app on your device. So go to here and see every single device that I have on my device, like all the apps I have, you can lock. So right now I'm going to show you guys. I have Facebook and it's able, and let's go to Facebook. Say ask for the Face ID. So yeah, this is a really nice tweak, and it's free, so you don't have to pay for it. You can have it free. And also, really quick, I want to talk about is DLEZ. Now DLEZ is basically every social social media app that you have on your phone. Let's say I want to go to YouTube, and once you go to YouTube, and I'm going to go to my channel really fast, and I'm going to go to this video. Now all you have to do, let me turn the volume down. So what this does is you press and hold on the video, and you guys have option to download the video. It doesn't matter if it's Facebook, WhatsApp, or Messenger, or any the social media you have. You can download from the Instagram, Twitter, any video that you like, you can download and save to your device. So yeah, this is what it does. So there's so many tweaks, so many things, and I'm gonna list every single one of them in the description below, and you guys gonna able to get the packages name and the sources name and everything that you guys need. So all I ask you guys is to subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and also hit that bell icon so you guys can get notified the minute I drop a new video. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. That's